Boss Productions presents Papa Dead Left Money Part 2, starring Sister Petra, Epic Boss.
Oh God. Oh Lord of mercy, I can't believe that my husband really passed away. Oh God, help me. I hope me I can manage without me little pumpkin. Why? Lord help me. I hope my son don't come up here with the old ugly self, you know. Cause me no want to see me, cause that would have made me so upset if him come up here. Oh, let me call Pastor Rose. Oh Lord help me, Jesus. Oh Jesus help me. Where is Pastor Rose's number? Okay, here it is. This phone look like it's not working so good. Hold on, the phone not working so well, Pastor Rose. Hold on. I want to put it on speaker. Yes, Pastor Rose, how you doing?
How you sound, Sister Josiah?
Lord have mercy, Pastor Rose. The devil crept in my house, Baba.
What you saying to me?
Yes, Pastor Rose, you know what happened to me this morning?
No, sister.
My husband passed away.
Mighty God. Really?
Yes, Pastor Rose, I hold me.
Oh, God.
Oh, me, I gonna manage without me little pumpkin. Pastor Rose, he promised that he's going to take me to the Duns River Falls, you know. I don't know how I'm going to manage. Pastor Rose, the reason why I called you because I wanted to come and see me.
So, they gone with the body yet?
Nobody take the body. I don't make any callers yet. And the only person I call is the wicked boy that I have.
So, your son come here.
Come here, come and do what? Me am the carcass? I tell him,
Sister? No.
Pastor,
I don't expect that, right?
that is what I tell him because you don't understand. It make me upset, me and my husband.
Sister, what I'm trying to say to you, right?
Yes, sir.
You sit there, creepy, and take your husband, right?
Yes, sir.
I think you should make it up with your son now.
Make it up with that evil boy. I don't want to make it up with him. You know that me and my husband up here and him never send us not even a drink of water with him wicked woman. You know that?
I understand, sister, but you have to make a difference if you want to apologize.
You're right, Pastor. You're so right. Yes, Pastor. All right.
If you come, you can go ahead and talk to him.
I'll try, Pastor. I'm not going to promise you that it will turn out all right, but I will try my best to be good with him, all right? Because, boy, I don't think I even can look on that little boy. He's too wicked, man. Pastor, you know. Lord. All right,
I am doing some shopping, so soon as I finish, I'll come up here, but you will have to come and meet me because I don't really know the location like that.
I will come and meet you, sir, as soon as you finish. Just send me a text, all right? And then I'll come to meet you.
Okay, I hope your son comes soon.
Yeah, what?
I hope your son reach here soon.
I hear you, Pastor. I hear you. I'm not... Pastor, should I call the police? You know, feel that the police were going to try to lock me up and say it's me.
No. Call the police and let them come in.
So I must call the police and I'm alone. Next thing when them drag me down at the station, nobody don't know that me lock up. Then take me all over the place, sir. I want to call the police when you come, so in case if they're dragging me away, you know where they're taking me.
Okay. When your son come if you can call him also.
Oh, okay, sir. If the wicked boy come up here, you hear? Because it's not a guarantee that he's coming.
Okay then. I'll drop by too.
Thank you so much, Pastor Rose. May God bless you. That's the reason why I love you so much, you know. You know that me and my husband talk about you before he passed away.
Oh God, that's
Because you're a good man. You're a very good man.
thank you, Sister Design.
Alright, sir. Alright. Have a good day. You hear me?
Yeah man, same to you.
And I'll see you shortly.
Yeah.
And even though you're shopping for yourself, buy a little bit of cow's milk for me, because maybe that will make me feel a little better.
Okay, I'll do that.
Thank you, Pastor Rose. Have a blessed day.
Okay.
Alright. Boy, I'm telling you, this Pastor Rose here is such a darling. He's always here when we need him. Oh Lord. My little bonus gone and left me. Oh Jesus, how me I gonna manage?
Only how we are do so long?
I'm coming.
Mommy alone up there now.
So what are you telling me that for? All along you never know, say the mother and father live alone. I was just trying to see if I find a few bags. For me, one for myself and one for us to bring up these peers to go and give your mother.
We are going to peer them.
You have to carry a few things to make your mother think that you were planning to come up here to look for your mother and father. You can't just go up there because your father dead. Your mother go and look upon you like you're a wicked. So you have to bring these just to give her a little gift, you know? So why you doing your face like that? Well, here you know. As you can see, we're going up there. So let me tell you all the things that you're supposed to do. Me want when you reach out that door, you know, you bawl like when cow they hang, you know. You ever hear cow they hang? Bawl and bawl and bawl. That when your mother see you, she don't even remember that her husband died. The way how you are carrying on. You hear what I said?
So we are going to the bag.
Me carrying the bag because when I go up there, I want to pick up one and few little things. From long time, you remember that me tell us when I want to go up there, go take up two little something. So now I get the chance. That's the reason why I carry this bag.
I don't believe in this plan here, you know.
Oh, what you mean say you don't believe in this plan? You forgot that you said it.
And we have a create. I don't believe in this.
Oh my God. It's when since all of a sudden you care about your father. You forgot that you talk be bad things about your father and mother. And even the car. You regret what? Just because him dead? Him just dead today and you regret already? I don't see where you regret. With there how long and I know when you regret about something. You don't regret about that. So don't come and tell me that. And let me tell you something. And about this morning you tell me how your father wicked because the car old now and you want one of the latest car.
Yes,
and him can't buy it and him don't buy it. So when since you're talking about it, you regret about it. You don't feel any way. You don't feel any way and don't come to me with that. You hear me? Let me tell you something. I'm going up there and I won't go inside with you. Because I must stay out and I hear you bawling like a cow. You understand what me I say?
So, now the tour we are going
the tour we going up there, but I'll be staying outside to hear what I'm really up to. And to hear how you perform. You understand me? Me we know the exact time to come in the house. Alright?
So Mama now know so we up to something.
Mama now go pick up nothing. That's the reason why I tell you something bad like when cow they hang. You hear what I said? And the first thing you're going as you're going, you know, and you see your mama, you go on like your hand in her in the bag and just drop down and start bawl like a cow, you know. You understand what I say? But before you go inside, you start the bawling. You have to know if you're acting them time, you know. Because as I told you before, your mother going to look on you very well. To see if you're coming up there and to see if you have any little sympathy in your eyes.
Feel like to be myself on him, you know.
Be what kind of self?
Feel like to go with your plan.
I am glad you know that you must be yourself, being as damn evil as you are. Not paying them any mind and don't like them. So I agree with you, honey. You know what? The time me and you argue, let us go. You pretending like you're all good. Look at your damn face. You forget that it's just this morning we were cursing. I'm coming, but I'm talking to you. It's this morning you were cursing.
Up there, me tell you that, you know.
You know what? Go on where you go. You're going like it's not this man you were cussing your papa and mother. And now you want to come and behave like you love them. You think police come for the body already?
I know, you know, honey.
Well, listen to me. You remember all that we talk about in the house. I don't want to forget anything at all. Because this is your first and last chance.
What do you mean?
Oh, you mean? With me and you. You see, if you don't get anything at all, if your name not upon the will and you don't try to get anything to mind me, I'm leaving you. You hear what I said? So you better make sure when you go up there, you do all that I tell you to do. You hear what I said?
Some money you're there with me for.
Me don't deal with you for any money, because if it was money, I would leave you already, because you don't have any. But I'm just saying to you that your parents have the money and your father dead. That means him dead with a lot of money. So you better go up there and find all of the money that him hiding at the house to mind me. You hear what I said? Me talking to you.
Yes, son, in me ear what you say.
Remember what I said for ball out. Oh. Hey.
Mama.
Don't call your mother yet. I'm not going to go in with you. But start ball now, ball.
Honey, I don't know if I can do this.
What do you mean say you don't know if I can? Me say for ball from out here. You can't go in there with your face dry. Me say for ball.
Mama!
All right. I'll be outside.
Mama!
Who is that calling me?
Mama, me, Errol.
Errol? What you crying for? Dry up those tears. Is it tears of joy? Huh?
Oh, you could say that, Mama.
It must be tears of joy. Errol, didn't I tell you not to come up here?
Papa, that.
Papa that? Yes, it's your papa. Don't come near my husband. When he was alive, you didn't want to see him. Don't come near him. I don't know what to come. What is that in the bag?
I care so pure for you.
For who?
Plus, me don't care them for you and Papa.
Okay. Well, listen to me. We don't need them and your papa can't eat them. I said I don't need anything from you, Errol. Errol, go home. Go home. I don't have any picnic name, Errol. Okay.
Lisa, Papa really gone.
Yes, Papa really gone. And Papa was asking for just a drink of water from you. You didn't give it to him. Eat up yourself off me. Oh. You think you can trick me? You think I don't know that it's fake tears? It's fake bawling? Errol, what you crying for?
They don't put them here on the dresser.
Put them on the dresser. I don't go down to the station as yet, you know. Because I was waiting until Pastor Rose come before I go down to the station, because I don't know if the police them gonna lock me up. I don't want to touch my husband, you know. I want you to touch him and let the police see your fingerprint on him and lock you up.
Oh, no, we can't come to me senses, my father gone.
Your father? Your father? Is now you know that is your father? Huh?
So, Mama, you're going to the station to report it?
Yes, I'm going down to the station to report it. I wanted somebody to stay with the body until I come back from down there. You will stay with him?
We'll stay with Papa, Mama.
But listen to me, I don't want you to be boiling over him body. You hear me?
Yes, Mama.
Alright, I'm going to leave. I don't want you to touch him. You hear what I said?
Okay, Mama.
Okay. Alright. I'll soon come back, okay?
Mama, you know water in the fridge.
Don't touch nothing in my fridge. Nothing in my house I don't want you to touch.
Mama, I'm thirsty.
I don't care. I don't care. Let me go and see if I can give you a drink or what. Sit down.
Mama, don't worry. Mama, just go to the station. You go feel water.
Look at your face, okay? Errol. Alright, don't the fake ball, you know, your mother gone. I see she rushing away where she's going. Here, dry your face, man.
Send her down at the station to go report it.
Okay. So you get to search your father already?
Only you have to do that.
What is wrong with you? It's what you coming here for do.
Only me can't do that.
You coming here sitting down drinking water? Search your father, come on. Is your father, search him.
Only me say me can't do that.
See them? Your father have a kind of money here. See them? See them? Man no say father have money. You say nonsense? You say I have no sense? You coming here about your balling? Watch it.
And see the key here for the box. You know, no sense, you know. This is the key them use for the box where the money, you know. Where them keep everything. You know, have no sense. It's so you want to sit down? Huh? It's a... Alright, you stay there. May I take what you want? Boy, for your people, they're not easy. Look all of them something here. Them are all smart. What am I doing with that being new cologne and something? Lord of mercy. I have to hurry up because maybe your mother soon.
It's a good idea.
What? If it's a good idea? Oh, you can stay there. Never say me because all them are hot here. Oh, it's what your mother doing with all these hats. No, sir. You see that? You think poor people can buy this? Go see me when me put it on. Lord of church. You see that? Me look how it look. Eh? Normally when people have dead, all kind of sitting missing at the yard and they don't know who thief it. So you stay there. When me done, me go hide it. Walk here and hold it in my bag, me hide them. You stay there. You know no sense enough. Me tell us if you come in here and come search and take up the things that when you know me are going to... Oh, I have another bag here.
No piece of this thing right.
Shut up your mouth! I don't want to hear anything.
If I hear your father, you'd make me do that?
Oh, you mean? If you have to do it, you just have to do it. We have to do what we have to do. You stay
Funny,
here.
mommy love the red bag now.
I don't care if she love it, me love it too. She old, she can't go out with it. You look on these one for bag. You know, see the amount we leave back over there stuff. Me just take a few. You want a boom box there, right?
Oh, Papa, something this.
Yes.
Put it back on it.
Put it back where? In the bag. Shut your mouth. Well, put it back. Look here, I want this in the bathroom because we don't have any of this. You don't even stiff it by one of this. You're talking. All these things. You think we can afford this razor?
Oh, Mama knows.
Shut up your mouth about his mama something. Mama now gonna know so dismiss me. I see your mama have how many of this? You see this? Me want one long time. Cause sometimes I wear on the wall and my back open up and I don't feel comfortable. So, and this bag I have. See, I have another bag to put a few more things in. Don't know if the hat. I don't want to put the hats in there and crush it up. So alright, I'm gonna put the hats in there. You don't understand life. Why you just sitting down and staring at me?
Honey, Papa dip on the bed and we are robbing in front of Papa, you know.
Yes, we're robbing before Papa because if Papa did give you before him dead, you wouldn't have to be robbing him. Don't worry yourself, honey. I know nothing bad we are doing. We're doing the right thing. Cause guess, you want me to tell you something? We're taking what is ours before people come and thief it. Me going outside, go hide these. Because me don't want your mother to come and see me with them. You hear what I said? What happened? Fix up your face. Why you making up your face? I know you're not crying for your father, you know.
Honey, me just not feel fear rob from the dead, honey.
I'm not robbing from the dead. I'm taking what is yours. Because as I told you before that when people have dead yard and when the dead yard finish, a lot of things is missing and they don't know who thief it. So I am just taking what is yours. Because it look like you getting weak. So I have to be the strong one for you. You hear me?
So honey, which part you thinking me that put the wheel?
You worrying about will? I have the key for the box. So that means
You see if the deposit box?
so you don't hear me say I take up is the first thing me take up. Yes, I have it somewhere here.
So what if Mama want go in here?
She don't know where her husband put the key, so she don't have to worry about that. She under depression right now. So I don't think she will remember that the key, where the keys are. She don't have the time for that. Your mother don't have time for you to think about money and all of that. But it's somewhere in one of the bag here. I don't know exactly where. So one of the day when she knock out and sleeping, I can search the treasure box because you is one piece of menke, you see? You just sitting down and you stupid brother. Me and you cannot suffer so you don't want me to stop the coughing. You crazy. You know, I can't find the key because the bag is full up of so many things.
So you be honey.
What?
Why if you know some police come, we gone to prison, you know.
Well, tell you what, that's the reason.
That's the reason. Police soon coming up.
Yes, that's why I'm telling you, I'm going to run, go out the door, go hide it and come back. You hear? Alright, I'm not going to look for the key for the box. But I know it is in the bag. Alright?
We should have put back the hat here, you know.
Why? Your mother have a lot of hats.
Mommy
She don't need it.
That honey.
Yes, it's her favorite hat, but she's old, so she can't go to church to wear them. And she can afford them. You hear me? You going to bathroom, I'm going to hide these. You hear, honey?
Honey, me not think a good idea, you know.
You hear me say don't get me pissed off up here, you know. I make sure warn you before we come up here, you know. I tell you that, you know, this is the first and last chance with me, you know. And you come up here and people them have money, you don't want to take anything to give me. And now me take a little thing, it's not even a lot of stuff. And you're making up a feast.
And then just go on before police them come.
Mr. Jeremiah, Mr. What a little idiot. Eh? After I talk to Jeremiah before I come up here and tell him that when we come up here, we're just going to take a few things. Now him get cold foot for me. Huh? No want me to take out anything. The time him did argue with me when I tried to take out the bed and the dresser and a few things further in the house what I need. Him come to tell me about say, Mama want this and Mama love that. And that's for Papa. You see when I go in there, him better make sure him taking out a few of the beds and dresser. Oh, and that me have to tell him. Me and him when we go in there.
Yeah, la, Zion.
Sister Petra.
Lead me, Lord. Lead me, Jesus, to the right path. That no weapon formed against me shall never prosper. Oh, lead me, Lord. To the right path. That no weapon formed against me shall never prosper.
Show the coconut and make we broke them. Spin your roll and dip and disturb them. We are gonna work tonight and set the order. The more them fight, the more we go harder.
La da 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 da. Say the angel them